Dr. Hubner, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Andy, and Andy is here 1 year after his procedure with us here at Natural Transplants. I'm going to put his before pictures there so you can really see the difference between before and now. But we were looking at the old pictures together, and it was really quite a nice surprise, nice difference to see what you've come, how far you've come. Tell us in your own words, though, what do you think of your results, and how was the process in terms of, from start to finish?
Well, obviously, I'm very happy with my results. Here at 1 year, it's pretty impressive. I mean, you forget how much you've transformed in the last year. So to go back and see the pictures and see where I'm at now it's pretty amazing, really.
Right. Happy you did it?
Ecstatic, man. Totally.
Cool.
Game changer.
Yeah.
I went in for a little self-confidence boost, because
Yeah.
I was 38 at the time. So, I wanted to fix a heavily receded hairline,
Yeah.
and I think you knocked it out of the park. I mean,
Awesome.
we drew the shape together and,
Right.
modified it a little last minute. And
Yeah.
you guys stayed late. I'll never forget. It wasn't the easiest. We stayed a little late that day, and you guys. I remember y'all saying you wanted to get it right. So
That's right.
that meant a lot.
That's right.
So.
Yeah, it's never rush there. We stay as long as it takes to get it right. So let's model your hair a little bit. I mean, obviously you can see the difference.
Okay.
But let me have you put your chin down a little bit and just hold it there.
Okay.
That's perfect. Yep. So let's see the difference before. Wow. And that's a lot of that in the front is new hair. That's awesome to see. Let's have you turn to the right or left and just kind of hold it there. There we go. Perfect. Hold it there for 1 second. Yep. I'm just going to relay the before and after before. Wow. That's awesome. And now let's see the other side.
Okay.
Perfect. Wow, unbelievable, man.
Yeah.
How is the scar in the back? Any issues there with the scar?
No, I mean, I couldn't, my barber used to go like skin tight, that's a lot of barbers tend to go that.
Right.
So I had to, go to like what they say a 3,
Right.
basic.
Right. So
And, just wear it a little longer so it just looks like you're further on your haircut.
Yeah.
Just,
Yeah.
Just more weeks on than normal.
Yeah.
But, I mean, that's pretty much an easy thing to adapt to. I mean,
small price
really,
to pay.
the fact that it just goes, you feel normal. And
Right.
You're not thinking about your hair no more.
That's right.
And it just the fact that you can just live your life and that not be a concern anymore. As far as like people and reactions, I didn't really personally let a lot of people know other than close people to me. But I think those close people that do know have said that there's been a real big difference, and I'm sure you're glad you did it, which I am.
Good, good, and more reason to be grateful for you for sharing your story with everyone here. So I know it's not easy, but I really am grateful for that. Awesome, man. Well, enjoy your hair. Thanks for sharing with everyone here, and I'm super happy for you. If you ever need any more, let us know.
Oh, for sure, I will, most definitely.
All right, take care, Andy. All right,
thank you.
Yeah. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.